Hi, my name is Tom. I'm here from Agilic, a service center of Employment Ontario. Currently, we're organizing an event designed for youth like you and I. It's similar to a TED Talk. We're having different speakers from Barrie and Toronto coming over and talking about the projects that they're working on, philosophies that they believe in, and ideas that they have. Things that are really curious and interesting in a very short period of time. So it's not a lecture. At the same time, we're having free food, live entertainment, and this whole event is completely free to attend. So you can just join us on November the 23rd, next week, at 5:30 p.m., and we'll be more than happy to have you with us, learning and having fun at the same time. Go on Facebook and find our event. The name of the event is Future Youth, Improve Your Selfie. Go on Facebook, find the event, and register. Once you're done that, we'll be able to have a name tag for you at the time of the event and welcome you into it with no problem at all. We're really excited to see you there.